What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. And in this video, we're going to talk more about the bullseye bot, okay? And this is our day 9 of our 30-day challenge. And where we're at right now is $1,847.39. Today we had up 141.39, so we done good on our transaction. Now we needed 149.72 to meet our goal to reach 5K in 30 days down here at the bottom. But I'm not worrying about that. This was a home run for us today, $141. It added to where now we're at 84.7% in 2 weeks, 9 trading days. All right. So what is the bullseye bot? How do you use it and how do you get the alerts? Okay. First off, bullseye bot comes from the website Tradie Ticks. Okay. And you could sign up to get the alerts for all of these different bots for $69. Or if you have a Discord, you can go over to the Trendy Ticks page and you can pay $199 a month. And it will go directly, all of the alerts will go directly to your Discord, which is what I've done, all right? So you've got a choice. You could pay $69 for individual, like I could have done, or say I'm going to go ahead and pay $199 and have it put to my Discord so everybody can benefit from it, all right, which is what I've done. Now, in so doing, I charge $3 or $5 for my Discord. And can you believe somebody commented below about how they couldn't believe that I'm charging $3 and $5 for my Discord? And boo-hoo-hoo, poor man can't afford it. I said poor man needs to skip Starbucks then. Because you're not paying for financial advice on my Discord. You're paying for the community. Just like if you go down to the community hall or the country club. Makes no difference. You're going to pay an admission fee, a monthly membership fee, and that's all the Discord is over here. We have some awesome ass people in here, and we're starting to make a lot of money. Now it looks like it's small. We made $850 into 9 trading days, no big deal. But one thing that I share with everybody in the Discord is them small profits are going to add up at the end of the week. You just have to hold on, keep the faith, keep going, get in, get up, get out. Now let's talk about the bullseye bot, exactly what it is and how do you use it, okay? Now the very last alert that bullseye bot gave us today was for TQQQ, $42 strike price for an expiration date of 9/15, which will be next Friday. And it suggested you buy a call, and it's 75% sure that this is going to be a profitable trade. All right, now stop right there. That's one of the first things you need to understand. What is a profitable trade to you? All right? To me, a profitable trade is 10, 15, 20, 25%. If I can hit 25, 30%, that's a home run for me. You may not feel that way. You may have your own rules for what you feel a profitable trade will be, but don't set your goals so high that you'll miss the mark when the money's coming in, okay? So that's the first thing you need to understand is what profit are you hoping to make on each trade? People that are settling for 10 and 15 and 20% trades are making profits because they're not, here it is, they're not settling for large gains. He spent $450. And look at that. He made $1,125 on those puts. Okay? Up here, Little Green Candle, that was Sundial. Little Green Candle played it, one of the bot picks, and she made $19.72. That's not bad, people. That's good starting out with a small account. Here she made $42.64. And here he made another good trade, all right? Made $40 off of that trade, something close to that. Another $35, $40, $60, $120. But the secret there was I hit a home run on that one, 25%. So what will be your profit that you're looking to take on your trade. As long as you get in, get up, and get the fuck out, you're going to make money, people. So Bullseye Bot has put this TQQQ call out there for a strike of $42 at an expiration of 9/15. All right, and it's 75% sure it's going to be a profitable trade. So one person in my Discord said today and yesterday, as a matter of fact, she said it twice, that she feels like a deer in the headlights when the alerts come up. All right, and I told her it'll go away, I promise you. I felt the same way. The alerts would come up and I'd go to shaking and I'm like trying to hurry, and I realized, the first thing I realized was that there was no hurry. That Bullseye Bot's not telling you when it sends the alert, jump in, you're going to make money. It's telling you, look at this stock. This is about to have a momentum change in the favor of the calls. All right? So number one was, you have to figure out what's going to be a profitable trade for you before you even take Bullseye Bot's recommendation. The second thing you want to notice is, when did the alert come in? It come in yesterday, which would have, at the time would have been today, at 1:12 p.m. That's the next thing that I take notice of. When the alert comes in, I see what it is, what the symbol is, and I look to see when the alert come in, and then I go to my chart, and at 1:12 p.m. on TQQQ. This is the TQQQ chart. I come over here, get the circle, and I look for 112, which is right there. That is when the alert come in to buy a call. So I put a circle right there. And I go up here and I hit my gear and I type in the word alert. Okay. So now I know where Bullseye Bot has suggested that I buy a call. Now, does that mean I jump in and buy the call right as soon as Bullseye Bot says do it? No. I have trading rules. All right? When the EMA, white EMA, and is below the red EMA, I don't get into a call. So right there, I know that I don't want to get into a call. All right, and if you want to know, EMA is my 20 and my 50 EMA. That's what I use. All right, and I look right down here at my MACD and I see that it just went to red, and that right here it's going down. This is not the time to buy a call. And over here on the RSI, it's getting close to being oversold, but still the white line, the RSI line, is underneath the red line, the signal line, and so it's not a good trade at the moment. Now right here, the RSI turned up and it came above. And then right here, the MACD crossed over and the histogram was showing strength. So right here would have been a good entry point. So I go over to my circle and I say I get in right here as the MACD and the RSI was crossing over, and I mark my circle. And inside the gear, I'm going to type first entry. The reason it's the first entry is I might take a second one before it's over with. If it continued its downtrend, I might buy a second one when all of my rules lined up. All right? So now we are entered into the play, and we have it marked out on our chart. That's what's important for you to learn. Look right here. Very second thing that you do is going to be see what time the alert come in. For example, if we come up here to Intel, we can see that it came in at 10:35. So we go over here to our chart, click on Intel, get our circle, look for 10:35 right there. So right there, Bullseye Bot said buy a call for Intel. So I put my circle and I put on there with the gear, what? Alert. That's when the alert come in. Does that mean jump into the play? Absolutely not. We're heading down on our EMAs, we're underneath and it's showing strength right there, so the answer's no, and the answer's no right here. All right, so when do we get in? Well, we follow our RSI, we watch it all day long. We see it finally crosses over right here. It crosses over on the MACD, and we look right here, and it's breaking back into its resistance line right here. So you could have taken your entry right there, according to your rules. And what do? You come to your gear and you type in what? First entry. And as you can see, once you entered according to your rules, it came up, it bounced over the 50 EMA, and that would have been a time for you to sell on this candle right here. So you would have put your exit right there. And you might have only made 15% on that options trade, all right? But 15% is better than no percent. And I've been down so long holding on to AMC, it's time for a win, all right? And so far we've had 9 consecutive days of winning, and we have racked up an 84% increase, 84.7% increase on our portfolio. Why? Because we know this is only a recommendation, that we will look and see what time it came in, go mark it on our chart, and start watching for the indicators that you use to line up for your buy. All right? And if you settle for small gains, get in, get up, get out, you're going to be successful, people, or at least that's been my experience. If you practice those rules, you will not feel like a deer in the headlights. You will know the first thing you do is mark your chart with pre-market high and pre-market low, and then wait for the alerts to come in. Or you can look at the alerts from the day before, because as you can see, it's expected to pan out within 1 or 2 days. So the alerts from Friday will be good Monday, the alerts Monday will be good Tuesday, and so forth and so on. All right. So I hope that helps take the fear out of what should I do next, CSI. Watch the video again, take it step by step, and everything will be all right. So with that, love y'all, be blessed, and I'll see you on day 10's update. See you then.